Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a notarized letter. First, understand that a notarized letter significantly enhances the credibility of your documents. This process verifies your identity and confirms you signed the document willingly. Essentially, a notary public acts as an impartial witness, adding an extra layer of security to important communications. This validation is crucial for many legal and financial purposes, giving your letter recognized authority. Your letter needs several key elements to be properly notarized and effective. Begin by typing your full name and current address, along with the date, clearly at the top of the document. If your letter has a specific recipient, ensure their name and address are accurately included. Most importantly, leave adequate blank space at the bottom of the page. This area is reserved for your handwritten signature and the notary public's official stamp and signature. Do not sign the document beforehand. When writing the body of your letter, clarity is absolutely paramount. Articulate your message with direct, unambiguous language so there is no room for misinterpretation. Be specific about the purpose of your letter and any actions you are requesting or verifying. Double-check all information, including names, addresses, and any numerical values, to ensure complete accuracy. Remember, the notary public only verifies your signature, not the truthfulness of the content, so make your words count. Finding a notary public is generally quite simple, as they are widely available in many locations. You can often locate one at your local bank, a credit union, or even at common shipping service stores. Before you go, remember to bring a current, government-issued photo identification, such as a state driver's license or passport. This is crucial for verifying your identity. Also, it is vital to bring your unsigned letter. You must sign it in the notary public's direct presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.